In this video, I will teach you that how you can create Google-like loader using pure HTML and CSS. So hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Cubic YouTube channel. And before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all, here you can see that I have two files in my project folder. The one is index.html and the second is style.css. First of all, I will create a basic HTML structure here. And next I will link the style.css file with my this HTML code. Inside the body element I will create a div with class wrapper, and inside this I need to create 4 span elements with class dot. So I will copy this and paste 3 more times. That's it. I have done with my HTML code. Let me type some dummy text. I will remove this text later. And here you can see the output, and I have zoomed in my screen to 500%. I will zoom in to 300% so you can see the output more clearly. Next, open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box size in border box. So these properties will remove the default margin from our each HTML element. And next, copy this body element and paste here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 vh. These 4 properties will align our all content inside the body element to exactly the center position of our screen. Next, copy this wrapper class and paste this class here and type display flex. Currently I'm going to comment this code. Later I will uncomment this and teach you that what is the purpose of this display flex property. But before this, copy this dot class and paste here, and before this copy this wrapper class and paste this class here. Here type height 20 pixel, width 20 pixel, and background color. Type this color code to get the same color to your output. And first of all, I will remove this text from here and type here display block. So here you can see that this is the combination of 4 colors. If I will type here margin 10 pixel, you can see we have 4 square shape dot span elements. So I will type here border radius 50%. Now you can see that these are in a circular form, and now we want to align these circles in a single row. So that's why I will uncomment this display flex property. That's it. You can see the output, and I think I need to change this to 7 pixel. That's it. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the output more clearly. And next we need to add animation to our these dots. But before this, I will type here box shadow 0, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and RGBA 0, 0, 0, and 0.1 will be the opacity. So it will create a little bit shadow around our each this circle. Next we need to create an animation here. So I will type here animation, our animation name. So I'm going to type here animate. You can choose whichever name you want to choose. I have typed here animate. Next, type here 0.6 second. This is the animation duration, and type here ease in out, and infinite means that our this animation will never stop. And next, type here alternate. So we have typed this animation to our this dot class. Next we need to create a keyframe for our animation. To do this, just type here at the rate of keyframes, copy our this animation name, paste here, and inside this type 0%. So this is the starting point of our animation. Here I will type transform translate y minus 10 pixel. So friends, you can see that our animation will look like this. Next, just copy this, paste here, and change this 0% to 100%, and change this minus 10 pixel to 5 pixel. So friends, here you can see that now our animation will look like this. The next thing is a little bit tricky, but it is important. We have to change the background color of each dot using CSS, and we will add an animation delay to our each dot to break this sequence. So to do this, first of all, copy this dot class, paste this class here, and type colon nth child 1. So this CSS selector is selecting our first span element with class dot. If you will type here 2, it means that we are going to give style to our this span element, which is second span element, and I'm going to type here 1. So you can see that the nth child means that we are going to select the first span element. So inside this, I will type here one property, which is animation delay 0 minus 0.25 second. So now you can see that our this first circle will look like this. Similarly, you need to copy this and paste this 3 more times. Type here 2. Animation delay would be 0.5 second. You can see the output. Similarly, type here 3 and type here 4. And this animation delay would be 0.75 second, and this animation delay would be minus 1 second. So friends, by writing this animation delay, our these dots will look like this. And in the last, we just need to change the background color of our these dots. So in this first child, I will remain this as it is because it have a default color blue which we want for our first dot. In the second dot, just type here background, type this color code, copy this, paste this here, and type here this color code which is for yellow color, and in the last just paste this property here and write this color code. So you can see the output, friends. We have done with our code, and you can see that now we have a beautiful animation of dots. If I will zoom out this, you can see that this animation will look like this, which is amazing. Tell me in the comment that did you like the video, or if you have any suggestion that how we can improve our videos. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn website designing. And finally, thanks for watching.